Hey, so in this video, I will show you how to activate token-based authentication in NetSuite. It's not available by default. It's sometimes referred to with the acronym TBA. And TBA, it enables client applications, for example, a system that you have internally to your company or a third-party software that you're using that needs access to NetSuite. They will need to generate a token to access the NetSuite account. That way, they will never know your password. Only NetSuite will know it. So if you go to setup, company, and enable features, let's see if I remember correctly. So you have to go in the SuiteCloud tab. And in the SuiteCloud tab, we have let me see, maybe I just search it on the page, token-based authentication. Here we are. It was in Manager Authentication section. So I click OK. So it looks like I have to approve some agreement explaining what it is. I will just agree, which I'm sure you will read. And I think, yeah, that was it. And if I go into the Suite script part, I just check I have everything. Yeah. And yeah, I've just approved the key. So I will save it. I had to move my face for that. I save it. And that's it. Token-based authentication is activated, and you can see it if you go to the enable features part, SuiteCloud, token-based authentication. And yeah, you can reread the SuiteCloud terms of service here if you need. Yeah, so it's very useful for a number of integrations, such as a number of SuiteApps. And by the way, if you're looking to see how to install and uninstall SuiteApps, check our video as we have one to explaining how to do this. Bye bye.